Video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Hotmail two-step verification. Adding this extra layer of security is essential for protecting your account from unauthorized access. So let's dive right in and get started on making your account more secure. First, head over to the Outlook login page. You can find this by searching for Outlook login in your browser or by visiting the Microsoft 365 website directly. Once there, click the sign in button and log in using your Hotmail or Outlook credentials. Make sure your password is strong and secure. If you don't have one already, create a password using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols for maximum security. After logging in, you'll land on the Outlook homepage. From here, navigate to your profile settings by clicking on My Profile. Accessing your profile is important because it contains all the security settings needed to protect your account. Within your profile, locate the security option and click on it. This section includes various security-related settings and is worth visiting regularly to ensure your account remains safe. Next, although we're not changing our password today, it's good to know where the Change Password section is located. Updating your password periodically adds another layer of security. Now it's time to activate two-step verification. Click on this option to start the setup process. Two-step verification adds an extra security step whenever you log in, meaning even if someone has your password, they won't be able to access your account without the additional verification code. This code can be sent to your phone or generated via an authenticator app, giving you that crucial extra layer of protection. Once setup is complete, log out and back in to test that two-step verification is working correctly. By enabling this feature, you've significantly improved the security of your Hotmail account, making it much less vulnerable to unauthorized access. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.